So a lot of times when people think about benefits, they think about these things: the health insurance, dental insurance, sometimes vacation plans are in there, disability insurance coverage, and retirement planning. But we actually have a unique type of benefit that you can add to your cabinet of benefits that's a little bit different than most places. The benefit that we offer, it can actually be added in conjunction with what you currently have and not disrupt that relationship. So if you've been working with John for the last 20 years, just because you bring this benefit on doesn't mean that you need to get rid of your relationship with John. This is just another thing that you can add to have a better benefits package for your employees. And so what it looks like is actually it's transferable, portable life insurance. And what's really cool about that is, who's ever worked for a company and they said, you know, maybe we worked there 15 years ago and they had a life insurance policy for us. And then we end up leaving this company and you no longer have life insurance. That's unfortunate, but it does happen. Our coverage, the employee can actually take that with them. So what's really nice about that is, you've been with this company for 15 years, you started when you were 40 and you're now 55, it's a lot more expensive to insure yourself. Well, you don't have to stress going back out into the market and trying to shop for life insurance as a 55-year-old. You've already taken care of that and you're good to go. So that's one of the nice things. Either someone who's gotten a promotion or a raise, they've recently had a baby, changed jobs, got married, bought a house, or had grandchildren. So who in here has ever applied for life insurance? Just about all of us. So usually that entails somebody coming to your house, drawing blood, asking some different questions. That's a part of this mix, right? Well, the nice thing is there's no physical exam if your employer has this. So there's no peeing in a cup, there's no blood being drawn. It's just, and there's actually no medical questions at all. This just goes right into place if you have it. So that's one of the really nice things. The portability, we spoke a little bit about that. The premiums never increase. I've seen this happen where someone has a policy and it may be one price for 5 years, and then 5 years later, it goes up a little bit. The nice thing is with our stuff, it's never gonna change. It's flexible, so you can choose the amount that works and that's right for you and your family. And then also the really cool thing is it can be for everyone in your family. So it could be for yourself, you can get it for your spouse, and you can get it for your children. Now, your whole family can be taken care of. Guaranteed lifelong coverage, you're guaranteed to grow cash value. It's also very, very convenient, so you don't necessarily have to directly from your paycheck. But if you're someone who says, hey, I actually do want to pay it from the outside, or rather it come out from an EFT withdrawal, you can do that as well. You may have something that has, you started with $100,000 of coverage. With our New York Life add-on is, we've paid dividends for the last 170 years straight, and we've been a profitable company for that full time. So you may start with 100,000, but then 20 years later, you look back at it and it's grown to 150,000 because the dividends growth, the cash value that's in there as well. So that's one of the nice things. So there is some technicalities and there is some things that basically parameters that we have to work within. So we want to look for those full-time employees, people who are between the ages of 16 and 70, and they must have at least worked with the company for 90 days. And this is a big one, is must not have been absent from work totaling more than 5 days, except for vacation and normal non-working days. Spouses and domestic partners, 16 to 70 as well. And then children and grandchildren, we can go as low as 15 days old or 25 years old for the children and grandchildren.